Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Taurus. If you want more clarity, Taurus, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards for your general energies, guys. We have Magician, Seven of Cups, and Four of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards in your circumstances today, guys, you are feeling really confident, cheerful, and you are a person who is a strong-willed and determined person. So whatever situations you are in, you have a lot of confidence, and that is the reason you feel really strong, strengthened today, ready to take on any situation, any difficulties you are seeing. And you have a lot of dreams for yourself, guys. You have huge goals and aspirations in your work, and even in this relationship, even with this person you love. You may have certain dreams, certain things you want to achieve, and you are thinking about that, planning about those dreams, what needs to be done today. But you need to understand that these are just dreams. But if you want to achieve those dreams, you must make those concrete steps, make efforts towards those dreams or goals you may have in your life today, guys. So whatever opportunities come in, maybe in your work or in this relationship, you should not leave any opportunity go for a waste, and you should take up each and every opportunity to achieve success and goals, whatever you have for yourself, guys. And maybe even in this relationship, guys, Taurus, with this person you love, you may be having a lot of dreams and goals. Maybe you are planning your future with this person, but maybe sometimes you need to voice out your dreams and goals. Only then both of you will move towards those dreams and goals. And if this person is not interested also, you will come to know. So things will work with clarity if you are able to voice out what you truly feel today, guys, Taurus, in your relationship. And maybe certain things, maybe you are expecting some answers from this person. So for some of you, they are not giving you the answer. They are not revealing what is in their heart. Maybe you are trying to find out what they are thinking. Maybe you are interested in commitment. Maybe you are trying to find out what is in that person's heart. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is Sun. So it is a positive card, guys. So this card stands for marriage and commitment. So maybe they also want marriage with you and they are interested in commitment. So it is a very positive card, guys, Taurus. So whatever difficulties you are seeing, maybe in your life, in your work or in your relationship, you are going to see things getting back to normal bit by bit. So in your career situation also, guys, if you are seeing any difficulties, some delays or suspensions. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Devil in reverse. So with this card, there may be some troubles in your work situation. Maybe this person you love, they may have some weakness, or maybe you may have some weakness, or in your work situation your weakness is affecting maybe your ill sickness, or it may be some addictions you are having. So whatever it is affecting your work potential. So something making your circumstances worse. But we have this card here, guys, the Sun. So with this card in a reading, it just means that all those negative things, negative energies will be mitigated. So you will see a positive change in your circumstances very soon, Taurus. So you need not worry. That is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, I will take this card aside, guys. So let's see what is the card for y'all. It is Chop Wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today maybe you are feeling really bored, or you feel that you don't have anything to do. So often in any relationship or friendship, there are periods of boredom and lulls. So you need to understand that this is the time for you to be really grounded. So nothing is important today than making simple tasks your focus. So whatever you do day to day, so even in this relationship, maybe you are you need to be aware of the things you are doing every day. It may be mundane things, something small, something simple, but you need to do it. You need to be there today, and that is what is going to make your relationship perfect. So doing simpler things together, just having a meal together, going for a walk together, simply reading a book together, maybe just staring into each other's eyes. So this may not be the time for action, but this is the time for us to have that space to breathe. So you're in your relationship, guys, this may be the time you need to take stock, understand each other, but just being together is what is important today, guys. Being present, being grounded in reality in your present situation. So everything is well, everything is going as it should be. Maybe this is not the time for you to move towards great dreams and goals, but to pay attention to the simpler tasks of your day-to-day life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe just spending time with this person you love, it's going to bring clarity and understanding, and it is going to help you to deepen this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what it is. It is Puss in Boots, wit. So maybe today in your circumstances, in your life, you need to be more, more free and use your skills and talents today. Maybe not wait for your dreams or goals to come towards you, but pursuing that actively, using your skills and using all the opportunities you have today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be a genius today, using your intelligence and using your wits. So what needs to be done? You should do it using your the easiest way to do it. Maybe it may be something which you never implemented, but you should not leave any opportunity to achieve what you need to achieve, rather than waiting for those opportunities to come towards you. And maybe in your situation, there is a friend who is very charming and who is very clever, helping you out today, guys. And this is the time for you to optimize each and every opportunity you have, using your skills and intelligence and charm. So whatever opportunity it may be in your work or in your relationship, you are not going to let any opportunity go. You must try to use the best of any circumstance and to achieve whatever you need to achieve using your intelligence. So it should be something that should not hurt others, guys, in the process. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all. And you are moving into some new phase. You are feeling more cheerful and confident in yourself, and you will be feeling that way. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.